What do you want from me? What do you want from me? तुम चाहते क्या हो मुझसे? What you want will never come true. What you want will never come true. तुम जो चाहते हो वो कभी पूरा नहीं होगा. It doesn't matter to me what you think about me. It doesn't matter to me what you think about me. इससे मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हो. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to all of you to my channel. I hope you are fine and happy there. Today we're gonna learn new episode. But वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब मेरे 5 गिनने से पहले करें. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. आई होप कि आप सभी ने कर दिया होगा. चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करें विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. मैंने इसे अपनी आंखों से देखा. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. वह मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका ना दे. I wish you were my brother. I wish you were my brother. काश तुम मेरे भाई होते. Don't forget to call your parents. Don't forget to call your parents. अपने माता पिता को फोन करना मत भूलो. Don't be rude to others. Don't be rude to others. दूसरों के प्रति अकर मत दिखाओ. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. अपने आप पर बहुत जोर ना डालो. Never underestimate the value of time. Never underestimate the value of time. समय के मूल्य को कभी कम मत समझो. Don't make the same mistake I did. Don't make the same mistake I did. मैंने जो गलती की वो गलती मत करो. I did everything that I could. I did everything that I could. मैंने वो सब किया जो मैं कर सकता था. I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm not gonna let that happen. मैं ऐसा होने नहीं दूंगा. This has never happened before. This has never happened before. ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ है. You know me better than anyone. You know me better than anyone. आप मुझे सबसे बेहतर जानते हैं. I have been waiting for a long time. I have been waiting for a long time. मैंने बहुत लंबे समय से इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I have been waiting for this day for a long time. I have been waiting for this day for a long time. मैंने इस दिन को लंबे समय से इंतज़ार कर रहा था. My mom told me to go outside. My mom told me go outside. मेरी माँ ने मुझे बाहर जाने के लिए कहा. Why are you telling me this? Why are you telling me this? आप मुझे ये क्यों बता रहे हैं? Do you think I'm lying? Do you think I'm lying? क्या आपको लगता है कि मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ? There is only one way. There is only one way. एक ही रास्ता है. Fever will come down in a day or two. Fever will come down in a day or two. 1-2 दिन में बुखार उतर जाएगा. I have no other choice. I have no other choice. मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं है. I run away from there. I run away from there. मैं वहाँ से भाग गया. Greed is the root of all evil. Greed is the root of all evil. लालच सभी बुराइयों की जड़ है. You can't change the world alone. You can't change the world alone. आप दुनिया को अकेले नहीं बदल सकते. You can't do anything alone. You can't do anything alone. आप अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You can't change other people. You can't change other people. आप अन्य लोगों को नहीं बदल सकते हैं. You can't change other people, but you can change yourself. You can't change other people, but you can change yourself. आप अन्य लोगों को नहीं बदल सकते, लेकिन आप स्वयं को बदल सकते हैं. I fight for what I think is right. I fight for what I think is right. जो मुझे सही लगता है उसके लिए लड़ता हूँ. I think you should get some rest. I think you should get some rest. मुझे लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा आराम करना चाहिए. You don't know the whole story yet. You don't know the whole story yet. आप अभी तक पूरी कहानी नहीं जानते हैं. I never got the chance to say something. I never got the chance to say something. मुझे कभी कुछ कहने का मौका नहीं मिला. May I speak with you in private please? May I speak with you in private please? क्या मैं आपके साथ अकेले में बात कर सकता हूँ? I don't want anything bad to happen to you. I don't want to anything bad to happen to you. मैं नहीं चाहता कि आपके साथ कुछ बुरा हो. She know what happened. She know what happened. वो जानती है कि क्या हुआ. She know what happened to me. She know what happened to me. वो जानती है कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. She know everything. She know everything. वो सब कुछ जानती है. As I said before, जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा. As I said before, this is so powerful. As I said before, this is so powerful. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा, ये बहुत शक्तिशाली है. It is hard to believe. It is hard to believe. यह विश्वास करना मुश्किल है. My mother told me to stay home. My mother told me to stay home. मेरी माँ ने मुझे घर पे रहने के लिए कहा है. Why are you asking me this? Why are you asking me this? आप मुझसे ये क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? I have hidden something from you. I have hidden something from you. मैंने तुमसे कुछ छुपाया है. Do you think I could do something like that? Do you think I could do something like that? क्या आपको लगता है कि मैं ऐसा कुछ कर सकता हूँ? I tried to make him understand. I tried to make him understand. मैंने उसे समझाने की कोशिश की. I don't think too much about it. I don't think too much about it. मैं इसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं सोचता. I am trying to lose my weight. I am trying to lose my weight. मैं अपना वजन घटाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. It has always been my dream to become a doctor. It has always been my dream to become a doctor. डॉक्टर बनना हमेशा से मेरा सपना रहा है. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel to miss any update. Follow us on Instagram. See you guys in the next video.